This video mainly introduces the nozzle soaking or wiping of the dispensing workhead. Click the program name and click Run Parameters. Click Dispense Valve Setup. Then open the manual window. Currently, the coordinate position of the nozzle wipe is not set. Let's set the coordinates first. We aimed the nozzle at the center of this hole. When the working head drops below a safe height, the machine will sound an alarm. We raised the height of the working head and the machine automatically cleared the alarm. This is the coordinate position of the glue spray. We click to pick the coordinates. The software records the current X, Y, and Z coordinate positions. If the machine is left there for a long time, the machine will discharge glue at the glue spraying point according to the settings. This is the nozzle degumming position, and this is the nozzle wiping position. Now we adjust the position of the nozzle wipe. We want to align the nozzle to the center of this hole. We usually place a most free cloth under the nozzle of this working head. We click to pick up the coordinate position of the nozzle wipe. Then click OK. Click Close. Now let's demonstrate it again. Return the work heading to the origin first. We click to discharge the glue. Click Wipe Nozzle. Dispensing head wiping nozzle. We can click on Settings to set how many times to wipe. Here you can set the glue discharge time and nozzle soaking time. After setting the number of PCB boards, wipe them once. For example, I set it to 1 time. It means that after the machine completes 1 PCB board dispensing, it will wipe the nozzle. Click OK and we'll demonstrate it. The machine will complete a single motion, first discharging the glue and then wiping the nozzle. We move the PCB to the back. Do not place it on the sensor. We click on the machine to run. The machine will start dispensing the first section of the product. After the machine completes 1 PCB board, the working head automatically comes over to discharge glue and wipe the nozzle according to the parameter settings. This is the glue discharge action. Now wipe the nozzle. Then the machine automatically completes the dispensing of the second part of the product. The machine has finished dispensing glue on another PCB board, so it comes over to remove glue and wipe the nozzle. The amount of glue discharge can also be set. The glue discharge time can be set to be shorter. Or you can just change it to 0. When the machine is not working, we need to turn off the heating button to prevent glue curing and clogging. The purpose of discharging the glue is to prevent the nozzle from being blocked. When wiping the nozzle, a soft cloth is placed underneath. Green means the machine is still running. Please pay attention to safety. Thank you for watching the video. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact us.